What up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim Francis Izunye, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful, bouncy ombre goddess locks with just expression braiding hair. Watch till the end to see the entire process. So I'll be working with 3 bundles of expression braiding hair in color 33, 30 and 27. So basically what I'm going to do is the 2 main colors here are 33 and 27. So the color 30 is just to be used to mix both colors. So I open up the color 30. Inside this pack there are 2 bundles. So one bundle is for blending with 33 and the other bundle I blend it with 27. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So I cut it into 2 equal halves and then start blending it. So yeah, this is what it basically looks like after I've blended a little bit of that 30 with 27. Beautiful, right? Now this is what the color 30 looked like after blending it with the color 33, right? So now I'm just basically going to divide that blonde, that's the golden, into 3 and just attach one piece to this cable that I'll be using throughout this entire tutorial and then braid it. Now this one that I'm braiding is going to be the base for this locks. You will get to understand as the video goes. So I just braid this all the way to the end and go ahead to braid the remaining 2 bundles. So, and that is it for the golden. So I also did cut this short pieces of the brown. Remember, we are doing an ombre hair here, so these short pieces I cut them into 4 and I also have 3 bundles of that as well. Now for the wrapping hair, I'm going to be using some straws to coil them. So I just literally just twist and wrap it around the straws to just get the kind of curls that I want for this one. So you can see what I'm doing there. I do not even use any clips or any bobby pins to secure it. I just wrap it really tight till like I finish the entire strand of hair, and that literally secures it. It doesn't unravel even when I put hot water in it. So guys, I'm just going to repeat the same process for both the brown and the golden, and that's it. Now this is what it looks like once I was done wrapping it around the straws. Obviously the brown is more than the golden. You get to know why as we proceed. So now I dip the braided bundles in some hot water and set them aside to air dry overnight. Obviously I put some conditioner there to reduce the frizz you get with this. So I do the exact same thing on these ones I coiled with a straw and just set them aside to air dry completely. And yeah, that is it. Now this is what our base hair looks like once I took down the braid, and that's the blonde, the golden, and this is the brown. So yeah. And for our wrapping hair, this is what it looks like once I have removed it from the straws. So that is basically it, you guys. Now this is where the real work starts. Now I take a little piece of that brown, the base hair, remember, and then I wrap it around like so. I try to tie something that looks like a knot, like you just saw there now, and braid it all the way to this point where I now attach the golden piece of hair. So I just braid it, guys, to just secure it. There is nothing really special here, just braid it to secure it. And then with the aid of a crochet, just attach the wrapping hair to the braiding hair and start wrapping. Basically, that's all there is to this. So for each lock, I use 2 pieces of the brown wrapping hair and 1 piece of the golden wrapping hair. So just watch, guys. The visual are always better. They explain these things way better. I don't even know if I know what I'm saying at this point, but just watch, guys. You'll get to understand everything. So now I attach the second piece of the wrapping hair, the brown one, and then I continue wrapping. So yeah. So guys, this is where the trick is. Now that I have gotten to this point, watch what I did there. I didn't wrap it till like the brown is finished. I left that small piece aside, and then I picked a little piece of the golden wrapping hair and fold it into 2 and just start wrapping. I wrap this one till no single strand is left. Like towards the end, I really wrap it tight to secure it properly to avoid it unraveling. So yeah. So once I am done wrapping, I just rub it in between my palms, guys, to just secure it properly, and then I come back to this part that I left. Now what I'm going to do with this part is that I'm going to continue wrapping it. The reason I do this is that it makes the ombre look real and seamless, because I do not like that harsh and obvious line of like the part where you joined a different color. This makes it look really ombre and seamless. So yeah. Again, take a little piece of that brown base hair, wrap it around the cable. As you can see, I do not really wrap this tight so that like the loop I will have will not be good enough for me when I want to crochet this to my hair. And then tie what looks like a little knot and separate the hair into 3 and start braiding. I braid to the point where I feed in the blonde hair. So I just braid that a little bit more and just drop it. So yeah. Now I take a little piece of the brown wrapping hair and then pass a crochet through that loop, put the brown wrapping hair and then pull it through. So I basically just drag one side to be longer and then the other side really short, and I start wrapping. So that is all. Like I said, I wrap till I finish this first one. I take another brown wrapping hair Then I wrap that again, and then start wrapping with the golden one. So that is all there is to this, guys. Now, the reason that I called this wrapping hair with straws is because I wasn't looking for that smooth, really smooth locks. So I could have just braided everything and used the braided hair for that, but I wanted it to give me something really kinky and a little bit distressed. So yeah, that was the look I was going for. So now that I finished wrapping the brown hair, so like I said, I leave that little piece out, and then I take a little piece of blonde, fold it into two, and then wrap that one till the end. Once I'm done, I rub that through my palms, and then I now wrap this piece again to just give it that really seamless ombre look. So that is it, you guys. This is really easy and simple to achieve. So you can see that hair we leave out there at the end. Yeah, we don't tie it till the very end, so you leave out that little piece of hair. That's basically it, you guys. Just watch the rest of the video and enjoy.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
So as you can see, I really did show you many times so that you get to understand this really well, guys. So this is me just wrapping, showing you exactly how I wrap this till no single strand is left, and I rub it in between my palms. You can see that. Then I wrap the rest of the brown hair. So guys, if you really don't get it at this point, you can rewind or slow that down, but I mean, it is really self-explanatory. So yeah. So now that I am done with the entire locks, I'm just going to take out about 6 locks, brush them thoroughly, brush the ends thoroughly, and then wrap this around this tiny flexi rod. This was the smallest size that I could find. As you can see, it's not really that regular big size, so I just wrap that around that flexi rod, and then just do exactly the same thing for the rest of them. And yeah, so once I was done doing this, at this point I tried to trim all the flyaways out. Just use my scissors to give it a really good trim, and then it is time for hot water, guys. Guys, I ended up playing with colors. There are some that I wrapped, like the all of them I wrapped with blonde wrapping hair, as you can see, and some I even used just 33. So I ended up playing with colors, and now I'm just putting the ends, like I wrapped around the flexi rod inside hot water, the conditioner, and then once I do this, I'm just going to leave this to dry completely before I take out that. So now that the thing has dried completely, I'm just, removing the flexi rod from that. Guys, look at that. Look at how that looks. So I get to trim the end to cut out that end and then separate the locks. Guys, look at that.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range.
So guys, this is what this looked like by the time I was done. Guys, this is beautiful. Like, I really love it. Like I said, I really played with colors. There are some that they are entirely blonde, not ombre, and some I just did with 30 to see how it turns out. Guys, this is really beautiful, and this is what this looks like on me, guys. mean I'm always team black, but look at that color blend. Look at how it complements my skin tone, guys. This is really beautiful. I love it. Guys, watch out for the next video to see how I install this on my hair. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, like, if you enjoy this video, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out. And then, yeah. So guys, this style came all the way through, just the way I envisioned this in my head before I started making it. So thank you all for watching. See you next time, and bye.